Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechChamps channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging on your Android phone. First, open the Setting app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. Inside the battery sections, look for Charging Settings and open it. Here you will see a few different charging options. One of them is fast charging, and if you want your phone to charge faster, make sure this option is turned on. If your phone supports wireless charging, you will also see an option for fast wireless charging. You can enable that as well to get faster charging speeds when using a wireless charger. And that's it. It is a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how quickly your phone charges. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.